Today I'm going to be showing you how to access academic resources for specific lessons during remote learning. I'm going to be showing you today how to do this for math. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to your math course page in Schoology. You're going to scroll down past the welcome page, past the class resource folder, past the virtual class time until you see a group of colorful folders. They are going to be labeled by what week number they are and by the dates of that week. I'm going to show you what would be inside a typical week folder so you can see a little more about what resources you have to help you. So when you open a week folder, the first thing you're going to see is a PDF link. This is going to be a PDF or a digital copy of the print packet that you'll be receiving. So you can go through if you lose it or mess up, and you have access to a printer, you can reprint it. This is exactly the same as the paper packet that BCPS is sending in the mail. So the second thing that you're going to be seeing is a set of folders, one for each lesson. So this week we have 2 math lessons. So there are going to be 2 folders, one for each lesson. And I'll go into more of that in just a minute. But at the bottom, you have your week 2 at a glance. You will see this in all of my courses. So it will have the lessons that you need to do for that week and the due dates. Now, it doesn't matter if you have me for ELA or not. Every 4th grader in the county is following these lessons and following these due dates, so these are the same for you. You just might not see them in your ELA classes folder. So if I need help with lesson 1, I'm going to be clicking on that folder. I'm going to see a set of colorful folders. The first folder is going to be the instructional note videos. So these are based on the packet. Where it says instructional notes, I am going through those exact problems and models in a video to help you guys better understand the direct instruction on the packet. So those are the questions, the sections of instruction for the packet just in a video version rather than just looking at it on paper. If you want to see close up one of the slides from any of these videos, you can click slide by slide and just scroll down. You can see all the slides that have been completed in the videos. Now, the next one you'll see is videos for extra support. So I have a subfolder, and this one is only Pearson. Each subfolder just basically explains where the videos are from. So for this lesson, I only have Pearson videos. So you'll click Pearson. These videos are all from Pearson. And I've linked different extra practice, extra support videos depending on what skill you are struggling with. And you can kind of watch those and get some more help. Our next folder is going to be anchor charts. Anchor charts are this one, for the first one I know we made together when we were back at school, but the second one I used my copy from last year since we didn't get a chance to do this before we separated for the time. But you can still see anchor charts for this lesson that will be helpful. And the last one is your manipulatives. You have the blank fraction bars and number lines. It just will take a second to load. So these are the print resources we used on our journals back in class, but I also have some digital resources that you can use. If you just click on these links, it'll take you. And if you want to explore some other fraction resources, you can always click at the top and you can look at, for example, fraction pieces. And different digital manipulatives. So that is where you will be finding your academic supports each week.